Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to post a job on Indeed. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. If you need to create Indeed accounts, you can use my affiliate links in the description. I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also receive rewards or discounts by signing up through these links. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do first is to just simply search up for Indeed on your web browser. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on the first link that will pop up, and then you'll be redirected here in the website of Indeed. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to just simply create an account. So to create an account, what you want to do from here is to just simply click on sign in right here on the top right corner. Just click on that, and then you'll be redirected here. So when creating an account, you can create an account by using your Google account, your Apple account, or just simply your email address. But for this video, I will just continue with my Google account since it's faster. So I'll just click on continue with Google right here. I'll just choose my account right there. Click on continue. Afterwards, it will now ask you to verify your phone number, so just input your phone number from here. Afterwards, once you've inputted your phone number, just simply wait for the 6-digit code. After you've got your 6-digit code, just simply click on submit. After that, Indeed will just ask you a couple of questions so that it can set up your profile for you. So first, it will just ask you on which city or state you live in, and of course, the postal code. Once you're done, just simply click on continue. Afterwards, it will now ask you what's the minimum pay you are looking for. So you can do this up to you. So you can set any minimum pay you want. So you can leave any amount that you want. So as an example, I'll just set this as 1,000. And then you can select the pay period from here, like per hour, per week, per day, per month, or per year. So as an example, I'll just make it per week. And then just simply click on continue. And then there you go, and then we'll ask you what jobs are you looking for. So you can input any job titles that you want from here, like a cashier, a cook, a nurse, and etc. etc. So as an example, I'll just put in a programmer, and then there you go. You can add up to 10 job titles if you want to, but for now, I'll just leave it as 1. I'll just click on continue. And then there you go. Indeed will now start matching us with jobs. And then there you go, we have now successfully created our Indeed account. So to post a job on Indeed, what you want to do from here is just simply click on employer/post job right here on the top right corner. Afterwards, you'll now be redirected here. So from here, Indeed will now ask you to create an employer account. So when creating an employer account, just input your company name right here, your first name and last name, and then how did you hear about Indeed, and of course your phone number again. So just fill all of these up. And then once you're done filling all those up, just simply click on continue. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So Indeed will now ask you about your company description. So what you want to do from here is just input the description of your company, so what your company does, and etc. etc. So you can put anything you want right here in the company description. And then there you go, I've added a simple company description right here. So when making a company description, I just include what the company does, when it was founded, what your company specializes in, and a lot more. So yeah, so this is just a sample company description, so you can input anything you want from here. Next, what we're gonna do now is to input the job title. So just input the job title right here for your job post. So as an example, I'll just look for a full-time software developer. There you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you to select the number of people to hire for this job. So you can select from 1 up to a lot of people for your job. So as an example, I'll be looking for 2 software developers. Afterwards, it will now ask you what is the job location. So just input the postal code or the city right here of the job location. And then there you go. Once you're done filling up those details, just simply click on continue. And then once you're done, you'll be redirected here. So now it will ask you for the job details. So the first thing that you're going to do first is to select the job type. So you can select your job type right here from full-time, part-time, permanent, fixed term, temporary, OJT or on-the-job training, or a fresh graduate. So you can choose anything you want from here. So as an example, I'll be looking for a full-time software developer. Afterwards, you can now select the schedule from here. So you can do like 8-hour shifts, day shifts, night shifts, rotational shifts, holidays, and etc. etc. So you can choose any from here. And then if you have specific schedules, you can select other right here, or you can just select none. So for me, I'll just choose an 8-hour shift, then Monday to Friday. And there you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you, is there a planned start date for this job? So you can choose either from yes or no. But for now, I'll just simply choose no. But this one's up to you. And then now, it will now ask you for your pay. So in here, you can show your pay by range, starting amount, maximum amount, or exact amount. And then you can set the minimum pay right here and the rate as well. So you can set the rate per hour, per day, per week, per month, and per year. So as an example, I'll just set an hourly rate. There you go. And then I'll just show the pay by range. So as an example, I'll just set the hourly rate as 1,000 up to 1,500. There you go. Next is the expected hours. So you can set the hours right here for your hourly rate. So you can set fixed hours. You can have a range of hours, maximum amount of hours, and minimum amount of hours. So for me, I'll just set it to 40 hours per week. So there you go. Next is you can also add like supplemental pays right here. Like you can add like a 13th month salary, some overtime pay, commission pay, and etc. etc. So you can choose anything from here. So as an example, I'll just add a 13th month salary, bonus pay, performance bonus, and let's say a yearly bonus, and of course overtime pay. So yeah, there you go. Next is we have benefits. So in here you can add benefits for your job post right here. So you can add paid training. Let's add that. Make it work from home as well. A pay raise. Let's say I'll add additional leave and health insurance. And then there you go. And then if you want to add like additional benefits, you can add them right here just by clicking on other. And then once you're done finalizing this section, just simply click on continue. And then there you go. So once you're done, you'll be redirected here. So it will now ask you for your job description. So just input your job description from here. So at the top right here, you can use these tools right here to make your job description stand out. So you can bold your text right here, italicize your text. You can also add bullets if you want to. So yeah, feel free to customize your job description out. So as an example, this one is my job description. So we are looking for a talented, motivated software developer to join our dynamic team. And then I also included the key responsibilities right here. And of course, the qualifications to apply for the job, the preferred skills, and the benefits. So yeah, once you're done finalizing your job description, just simply click on continue. And then from here, you can add communication preferences right here. So when making a job post, when someone wants to apply for your job post, you can add your emails right there for you to be notified. So yeah, so you can add emails right here. But for now, I'll just leave it to my default email. But if you have some other emails that you want to use to stay updated, you can add them right here just by clicking on add email and then just add your additional email there. And then there's also an option right here that you can also send an individual email update each time someone applies. So you can leave this checked or you can untick it as well. Depends on you. Next is application preferences. So you can let the applicant have a resume. So you can make them upload the resume, make it required. Then what you can also do is let potential candidates contact you about this job by email to the address provided. So yeah, feel free to customize this section out as well. And then you can also add an application deadline if you want to. So when you click on yes, it will ask you for a date. But for me, I'll just make it no. And then there you go. Then once you're done, just simply click on continue. Next is we have some pre-screen applicant settings right here. So in here, you can add like questions for your applicants to answer. So you can browse questions right here. So you can ask them if they are able to commute or relocate, education, experience, and etc. etc. So as an example, I'll add experience right here. Let's say at least 2 years of software development experience. There you go. You can also make it a deal breaker or not if you want to. So yeah, for example, I'll just tick this. You can also add some other questions right here like the location, the language, willingness to travel. So yeah. So as another example, I'll add language right here. Then let's just make it, do you speak English? There you go. You can also make this a deal breaker or not. But for me, I'll just leave this one unticked so you guys can see the difference. And then I'll just click on continue. And then there you go. So lastly, you will now review your job post right here. So we have all of the details right here from our job post. So you'll get to see your job title right here, the company, the number of openings, the country and language, the location, the job type, the expected hours per week, the schedule, the pay, the supplemental pay, the benefits, the job description, the customized pre-screening, and some other settings right here. So yeah. So if you want to edit out some other details right here for your job post, you could just simply do that just by clicking on this pencil icon right here, and then you can just simply change the details from there. So yeah, and then once you're done, just simply click on confirm. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So Indeed's gonna ask you if you want to sponsor your job, but for me, I'll just say no. There you go. They will ask you if you want to get noticed. I'll just skip this. And there you go. It says right here, job is almost ready. With your job, here's what's next. We'll review your job in the next few hours, and then you'll get an email when your job is posted and start receiving applications. So yeah, once you're done creating your job post, all you have to do now is to just simply wait, since Indeed will review your job post. And then once your job post has been approved, all you have to do now is wait for applicants to start applying to your job post. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to post a job on Indeed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.